back, broskies. Hey, we already hacked it up and cut her up, so now we're gonna roll it. Dinner's ready. My wife's already calling me. She's going, come on, dinner's ready. Woo! We don't need this metal anymore. I like to save stuff like this, because if something's, you grind it and you weld it in somewhere. So we'll save it over here. There we go. Saved. This is what my idea was. Let's get the bat in there and roll this sucker. Straighten the tire out, and we'll get the bat up in there, and we'll roll the car forward. We'll roll this all out on both sides, and she should look good. Let's get that done. I love this. Look at this. See this? Isn't that great? On this car, I always take the negative off. I don't want it, no hassle. So we just kind of take that off, and she should fire up. I got to probably dump a little fuel in it. I used to have fuel out here. What happened? Oh, I think I left it over here. 1 second. I got my magic fuel system right here. Somebody said, why don't you put an extra fuel pump in there? I will. One day. I'll put a fuel pump in there. For now, I got to look, you pump it. It's like fuel and you pump it. It's a fuel pump. You always be very careful. Don't spill it all over the place, because you could get a fire. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be careful, broskies. Don't try this stuff at home unless you got to get your car started. Let's fire this thing up, warm it up a little bit. This way we can roll it. I'll straighten the wheel out. Let's do it. Does anybody got a 1963 and a half door with a working window? I got to get a door. The inside of this door rotted right out. Everything fell out. Look. There's my track that holds the window. So was that wheel straight? Is that right now? It's good? All right. So you put the, where'd the key go? What the? Look at these old crappy keys. Shoo! I'm pretty sure this is it, right? I think it's it. Must be this one. Doesn't even look like a Ford key. Huh. Now with this one, you push the button. See that? With that fuel pump in there, with the fuel pumper, she works right away. Fired right up, man. This is a good running car. Too bad we're not going to keep this motor in here, man. Like I was saying, we got a 427 side oiler to put in here, so as good as this motor runs, maybe somebody out there needs a 352 that's rebuilt. This is a good FE motor. It's rebuilt, so somebody might need this for a truck. This is a great truck motor. Get it to warm up a little bit and you're good to go. I got to put a choke on this one. I think it has the one on there, but I didn't hook it up. This motor is solid. Solid, man. It's got to warm up. I don't want to mess with it, man. I don't want to let it warm up. I'm going to let Devin drive while I roll it with the bat. Let's get that done. Right. Let's get it done. So, roll up a little bit first. Oh, you got to pull it up maybe. Oh, there you go. Woo! All right, hold on. I'm going to have you roll up again. Go ahead. Ready? Go ahead, roll. All right, good. Come backwards. Got to put it in reverse. I know. There you go. All right, go. Stop. Go the other way. Go slow, though. Just got to pull it up. It's kind of tricky. Go slow, though. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, well, go back. Go slow. Go ahead. That looks good. That looks good. I can straighten that out with a dolly and a hammer now, but it's out. Let me do the other side. You want me to hire that idle a little bit?
What? Yeah.
Put it in gear. Put it in, no, lift it up. Put it in park. You gotta lift it. Just a little bit, yeah. That's better. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. You could go backwards first. Good. All right, go the other way. All right, stop. Turn the wheel that way or drop. Good. Oh, too much, too much, too much. Back this way. Good. All right, back up. Hold it. Go slow. Slow. Go ahead. All right, go the other way. I think that's it. Now cut the wheel this way. Go that way. Go back this way. It clears the bumper, it's fine. A little that way. Oh, go back. Go forward a little bit. Right there, ho. Go back. Stop. All right, go back a little. Hold, go forward. Good. Yep, I'm just gonna take a hammer and a dolly and work that a little bit. But I think we're in good shape. So let me move this and I'll have you back up. Actually, just back up. Ha! Good. That's how you know you're good. When you hear noise, you're good. You did good, bro. We're happy with that. All right. Woo! Let's go play baseball, man. I got a whole bucket of balls, man. Let's do it. Woo! This is a slugger right here. We got a wooden one in there too, man. It sounds great when you crack the ball. All right. I think we're good, bro. This looks pretty cool.
So what, you gonna beat it now or no? Can I drive it real quick?
What, this?
Yeah.
The brakes suck. I got to bleed them one more time.
I'm gonna be good.
Just we'll go around the loop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna hold it?
All right, so let's check this thing out. She's cool, man. Look at that. Oh, I should shut the hood though. Hold on. Let's see. Cool. Yeah. I think she's good to go. Look at that. That car is fat, man. She's cool. We got the bumpers for that thing too. Yeah, I gotta finish that car up. That car is way cool. That car is way cool. Oh yeah. That's a whole lot of fun right there. Look at that. Oh, it looks cool. Jeez. That thing looks super cool, man. Yeah, that's a good looking car. I like it black too, man. You know, I like it black. It looks good black, even though I want to do red and white.
It might look better though.
She looks cool, man. Hey, I'm getting excited. I think we should do the body work on this thing and paint it. You know? Yeah, that's a good car. That's a real good car. I'm happy with that thing, man. It's going to be nicer with the bigger engine. All right, well, so good looking. Look at that thing. She is fat. That thing is so good looking.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now we got to finish it up. We got all these projects. We got to start finishing them.
Fucking tired though.
This car is so cool, man. So cool.
You wanna put it back?
Yeah, let's put it back. She's running rich. You can smell it.
How'd it sound?
Sounds great. Really does. Sounds good. See,
Like a
she's running rich. Sounds great. See? Nah, she's running rich. She's almost out of gas. It might be spitting and sputtering. But I got to tune it up and get some of that gas out of there, a little more air. I think it's low on tranny fluid. It's low on tranny fluid, and it's leaking power steering fluid too. I can hear it and feel it.
But it's cool.
But we never checked any of the fluids. We just fired it up and got it out of the shop, man, and started beating on it. So I got to check all the fluids and go over it. I wonder if I got a leak. I should take a look real quick.
Sounds good.
She sounds excellent. She really does sound good. She does. But it needs gas. I got to dump like 5 gallons of gas in it. There's probably like nothing in it. So anyways, so I bet you this is, it's a little loose too, look. So, you know, the belt is loose. I mean, you know, look, the fan is just spinning, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So all these belts need to be adjusted. Actually, I need new belts. And, yeah, this fluid is like empty. I didn't, you know, I never filled it up. So, because it's not leaking. There's no mess anywhere. So it just needs fluids. Everything needs to just be filled and checked, and probably charge the battery. Wait, let me turn the Ford key off. There we go. Now we're good. So anyways, we'll come back to you. Sweet dreams. I'll put some mouse poison in you so that none of the mice get in you. Mission accomplished. That's a W, man. We'll take the W because we just wanted it not to hit anymore. It's ruining these brand new tires by scraping it, but now it don't scrape. So she's good to go. She looks cool. She looks sexy. It don't scrape anymore. I'm pretty happy with that.
That's a win.
It's a win. It's a W. Hey, don't forget, if somebody's got one of them 1963 and a half Ford Galaxie doors, Now, it's a no-post door. I don't know if that matters, but I could really use a door that ain't rotten on the inside. Either that or I'm going to have to figure out how to shut this window all the way and keep it shut, because even if you take this to the track, you got to have glass in the hole. I don't know why, man. They make you sweat in there waiting online. It's ridiculous, but we do it. But if we take this to the track, I don't think it's going to be with that engine, you know what I mean? But I wanted everything to work and roll. And so I'll take a hammer and a dolly and I'll smooth all that out. And I might even bend this. I might even bend this a little bit up. So, you know, we'll just take a hammer and we'll straighten it out, and maybe I'll bend it up. All right, we got stuff to do. We got a bunch of other stuff to do, man. I can't wait to get back on the 53. That's going to have to wait till tomorrow. We got all the ignition stuff's ready to hook up. I got all the wire ready to run. I was testing the blinkers the other day. I was testing the lights up front, the blinker lights. And we put LEDs in there, and I hit it with a little hot, and bang, they lit right up. So I think we're in good shape. We're going to start wiring it, putting headlights in it. I can't wait to put the bumpers on it. The bumpers are so sexy. Yeah. So once we get the bumpers on it, she's going to look hot, man. Woo! And my buddy Jacob said, hey, come and get the rotisserie so you can put the other Torino on there. Not the 69, but the 68. The 69, the Jackass, we got heads for that, I told you, but we're going to put the heads on there. We're going to go to the track. We're going to make some, better time. I just want to keep getting better and better and better and better. I don't have to be the fastest guy there. You guys know that. I built that car from the ground up, a scratch car. No hood, no fenders, no front end, no bumpers, no lights, no windshield, no doors, no rear, no engine, no drivetrain. It was just a shell. And we got pictures of it. It was literally a shell. I drove it home on the back of a truck. People were looking at me like, dude, that's a shell, bro. You got a long way to go. And within a few years, I built me a car. The Jackass is going to make the track, and we'll hopefully go a little faster this year. And Devin's Torino is going to get put on the rotisserie, and we're going to spin that thing. We're going to pull the motor back out, pull the tranny out, pull the rear, everything's out, gone, out. Bumpers off, rotisserie on, flip the thing upside down, or at least on its side. Like, I think if we just flip it on its side, we can stand up like gentlemen and work on it. And it's got some patching and rot on the bottom. I got brand new rails. We're going to cut the old ones out, weld new ones in, but you can't do it upside down. It's a pain in the neck. You got to have the rotisserie. And my buddy said, come and get it. So we're going to come and get it. We're going to use it. All right, guys, so we're going home to have dinner. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you go over to YouTube, subscribe, hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification. We'll see you tomorrow, broskies.
We're watching Makeshift Garage. We're watching Makeshift Garage.
What I really want to know is, why does he got so many slicks?